Hello there. You could be a established sales and marketing professional or entry level job seeker. Before you accept a new job offer in sales and marketing, kindly consider the following points for your own betterment. Number one, determine whether the role is focused on sales or purely marketing. Number two, inquire about the performance metrics and criteria that will be used for your annual appraisal. Number three, for purely marketing positions, be cautious as many companies lack established performance parameters. In those roles, your evaluation may rely solely on your boss's subjective opinion. It's advisable to avoid such positions. Number four, continuously upskill, reskill, and if necessary, unlearn outdated practices. Focus upon acquiring the qualifications most valued in your industry. Number five, the most important is ensure visibility with top management. If necessary, bypass your immediate superior, as key achievements may often go unnoticed by those who do not directly oversee the work. If you are not following me now, probably you are going to see me for the last time. Hi, I'm Amit, and I do share project ideas, entrepreneurial tips, and career insights on daily basis. Please follow my channel and page and get yourself updated. Thank you so much for your kind patience.